There we go, look at that. Oh, there's a dumb dog barking at my dog again. He's trying to decide what to do. But what do I do? Do I go beat that guy up? You gonna go get that dog down there? Tell him what's up. Oh, here's that creek we filled in.
And see the...
We're on day 5 of rain now. Steady trickle. You gonna go get that dude? Hey.
No, walk it.
Oh, he's gone. Be making you mad? He's making you mad. I see the hair on your back of your shoulders.
I guess he likes the rain.
He stepped in the puddle. He's like, what's that? He's gonna go get that guy. So he's eyeballing. Oh, yeah, there he goes. He's sneaking up on him, see? He's hiding behind the bush. He's trying to contemplate, is it worth it? It's a long way down there. Let's see what he does here. There he goes. He's mad. It's like he's hunting or something. He kind of crouches down behind the bushes and he's eyeballing him. Let's see what he does here. And then the other dog is sitting down there by the fence just staring at him. Let's see. Now the other dog's tempting him. And then his little brother's tempting him. What are you gonna do? You wanna eat? And there he goes. He's had enough. He's gonna kill him. So he'll come back now. And here he comes. He goes down there and yells and screams. Comes back up. These lake beds here, if you Google Rabbit Dry Lake 92356, you'll see these are normally dry. In fact, we were on these lake beds last Sunday with the Razor, and they are full of water. Just totally awesome. Looks like a whole different town. So it's Friday, the 10th of April. Last Sunday is when it started raining here in Southern California, here in the high desert, which is also just rare itself, because we're not near the beach where we get all those clouds off the coast coming in. We're at about 3,000 feet up in the high desert, and it's been raining now for 6 days. This is the 6th day of rain. It's not a heavy rain, it's a light misty rain, sometimes heavy, but in the last video I posted, some of that Razor footage at the very end with those high-speed passes and stuff was Sunday as those clouds were moving in. You could see them in the background. And by the time I had gotten home with the Razor, it was raining. So it's now been raining for 6 days. We've had beautiful cloudy skies, which is super rare for us. So I just wanted to document this because we won't see this again for a decade or two. I can't remember the last time that it's been actually raining for more than just a day or two. The desert's beautiful. It's super green. There's water pooling everywhere on the side of the highways. You can even see right here. See that water just everywhere. So this state desperately needs the water, so we're glad to have it. At least I am. Well, another Saturday. Been stuck in the house since the 16th of March. These poor kids, except for our ride last week. So let's get out of here. Look at this day. 6 days of clouds and rain, absolutely awesome. So now the desert is moist, no dust, very rare for us. Usually it's dead vegetation, wind, heat, and dust. So we're gonna get out of here. On top of a jump built by Rocket Rex Staten, who lives right there, motocross icon from the 70s, and we just got off of his oval track right over there, goofing around a little bit, and we're just making our way around the desert. Rocket Rex Staten, Google him, cool dude.
I think we had time.
Wanna go do some rock climbing?
Yep.
So we're at what's known as Dead Man's Point. If you look that up in Apple Valley, Victorville, Hesperia area, you'll find it. It's a popular little rock crawling area. People go climbing around, so we're gonna let them bust loose. Incidentally, the home we lived at, where we built the trailer, is over there, in that neighborhood over there. Green grass, another rarity. You gonna make that?
Probably not.
I see a way.
I had the rock climb shot, but I took my glasses.
Put like your foot on my shoulder.
Dad, could you put my gloves in your big pocket? Because my pocket stands out.
Oh, you got that.
Yeah.
That was fun. This is sketchy. That's a little scary. All right, we made it to the split, the peak. That side's the Victorville Apple Valley side. That side is also Apple Valley going into Lucerne Valley out there. Where's your sister? Well, she's at the peak, and I have declined to make that ascent. Well, that was fun. We were at the top of those rocks. Kids found, what'd you guys find? Go for it.
I should have brought my gloves. Oh, whoa, it's moist in here. Oh, there's a fire place over here.
That's cool. It is just so beautiful back here. We made it. We went way east, what's called the Granite Hills, right here, and then we went like southeast on a road called Chicago, hoping we could connect to Lucerne, but it dead ends right here, and there's no way we can get down this in the Razor. And that area you see down there with those homes down there, that's called the Cove right here. If we could have gotten to that point from here, I know how to go up over that other range that I've done on my dirt bike many times, and then head back up to our house. My daughter's going crazy up on these rocks right there. Okay, you hear the water flowing? So we spotted this greenery in the middle of the desert. We jammed over here, and you can... What? Why? How do you know there's a cat? What kind of sound?
Like, you know the sound when you're walking by the lion cage, and it goes like that, and it's up to the left.
Okay, so
I'm not going back.
we're not going that way because she thinks she might have heard a mountain lion. But you want to go check out the creek?
Yeah.
All right, so flowing out here in the middle of the desert, look at this. There's a creek here. I'm just documenting this because this is so rare. Lived in the desert for 14 years. I've never seen anything like this. So we're gonna share it with you guys. Oh yeah, there's a little pond right there. All right, that's cool. Let's go home. We're starving. Okay, you hear the water flowing? Okay, you hear the water flowing? Isn't that rad? Oh, that was so much fun. Was that fun? Well, that's the dirtiest we've ever gotten our new toy. But I'm not going to clean it off till tomorrow. I'm just too tired. Had an absolute blast with the family today. We did almost 50 miles again. And finding that little water source out in the middle of the desert was really a blast. As we were loading up to get back in the RZR, I heard the noise that my daughter heard down underneath that green brush stuff. It's a noise I remember distinctly because we've been to the Las Vegas lion sanctuary place, and I'm 100% certain there was a mountain lion laying under the brush in all that big green overhang stuff. So we got out of there and jammed back home, and now it's time for homemade tacos. So thanks for watching again. Happy Easter, everybody. Oh, there it is. So when we were here before, it was just a trickle. You could walk all in here.
Really?
Oh yeah. Woo! Nice. Look at me! Honey, you left the light on.